Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, heated steering wheel, fog lights, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.